Hello again and welcome to the Sammy Show. My name is Sammy. Well, tonight, I think you know what's coming up this weekend. Maybe you don't know about where I'm from, but Monday is Columbus Day, and you know what? I hate to admit it, I don't pay a lot of attention to Columbus Day. Whatever, okay, whatever. Don't judge, alright? But the weekend before Columbus Day in my town is loads of fun. And let me tell you why. Since I am a little boy, I always look forward to the crazy fair before the Columbus Day weekend. That weekend, they close down the streets, okay? And here's what they do. You got about 2 blocks of all kinds of crazy things. It's almost like a flea market, I guess, yes. But oh my God, things you can't find at a flea market. And let me tell you what, at last year's fair, okay? Here's what I gotta tell you. I got a picture I paid $5 for, and it was a picture of Captain America made of bottle caps. I mean, who could do that? This guy made these things up of all these favorite people. He made portraits out of bottle caps. So I saw the Captain America, I jumped all over it. He wanted $5. I didn't even haggle. I thought he was about $5 too cheap. I got that. Let's see, what else did I get? Oh my God, let me tell you this. I got the best, and I mean best, the best pickle that you could ever have. Now, pickles, if you are like a pickles, they're good. Oh boy. But you know what? There's always the great ones in the band. Okay, not too bad, like a jar from a store. No, not these. These come from a barrel. Oh yeah, like the old school times. And they put it on a stick. Imagine that. It's like ice cream, but it's a pickle. Oh, delicious. Everything. I mean, all kind of things. I got myself a hat. It was a Jets hat. I don't want to talk about them, but I got this little wool Jets hat for my head for the winter times. I mean, you go there with about $30 and you got a lot of money, and they will bargain with you. If you bargain, they will bargain. They want to sell. And then the other thing they got is they got a fair. It's really the fair, but they got like things where they got all the crazy rides. And you know what's good about these rides? They're scarier than Six Flags. And the reason they are is because they're carnival rides. And anything can go wrong with a carnival ride. Last year, I was there, and the little horsey on the merry-go-round went flying off. Thank God nobody was hurt. But that's what I mean. If you go on the Ferris wheel, you're taking your life in your own hands. Because every time it goes around, there's a guy, and he doesn't look too good, and he's, tightening things with a wrench. So that's what I mean. It's a little bit of fun. So anyway, this weekend, if you got time and you know where I live, come to my fair. It's a lots of fun. Crazy games, great values, and if you're brave, and I mean really brave, you can ride the carnival rides. Or maybe when you go and fish. Like maybe mine. You know him. He's my friend. Alright, anyway, that's it for now. And next week I will tell you another great story, and maybe even tell you what happened to me at the fair. That's it for now. Bye-bye.